At this point, in regards to the healer and attempts being made to reveal and restore healing within a family, there's a hidden struggle over the family story. Every every lineage carries a story that is remembered, but there is often another story that someone tried to remove, a name that slowly disappeared from conversation, a photograph that was never displayed again, a chapter of the family history that became strangely difficult to explain. Most people assume time simply erased those details. But sometimes the disappearance was not accidental. Sometimes someone inside the lineage worked quietly to remove that ancestor from the story. When an ancestor speaks difficult truths, their influence can create lasting tension. They may challenge decisions that others supported. They may expose actions that people hoped would remain hidden. They may refuse to participate in behavior that everyone else accepted. When this happens, the family reaches a crossroads. They can acknowledge the ancestor's warning, or they can protect the existing story by minimizing the ancestor's voice. Many families choose the second path, not because they intend to deceive the next generation, but because removing the conflict feels easier than confronting it. And the removal rarely happens dramatically. It unfolds slowly over time. Stories about the ancestor become shorter. Their accomplishments are mentioned less often. Younger relatives grow up hearing only fragments of who that person was. Eventually, a generation arrives that knows almost nothing about them. And to that generation, the ancestor becomes little more than a name, but the absence itself becomes a clue. Because when someone disappears from a family story too completely, it often means their influence once mattered greatly. For example, years later, a descendant begins asking questions. Why is this person never discussed? Why are there so few records of their life? Why does the family react strangely when the name is mentioned? See, the healer begins searching for answers. Old letters appear in storage boxes. A forgotten relative remembers details others had stopped mentioning. Fragments of the ancestor's life begin resurfacing, and slowly the healer discovers something unexpected. The ancestor who disappeared from the story once tried to change its direction. The healer realizes that the ancestor's influence was not erased because it was insignificant, it was erased because it was powerful. Their voice challenged decisions the family preferred not to revisit. Their insight revealed patterns that made others uncomfortable. Removing the ancestor from the story allowed the family to avoid confronting those difficult truths. But the truth did not vanish, it waited quietly inside the lineage. Because the role of restoration requires understanding the full history of the lineage. The healer becomes the person who restores not only relationships but memory itself. They bring the missing chapter back into the story. They allow the next generation to understand who the ancestor truly was. And once that happens, the family narrative becomes complete again. Restoring the forgotten ancestor may create tension. Some relatives feel relief that the truth has finally even been acknowledged. Others may feel uncomfortable revisiting those events because they were buried long ago. But once the missing chapter becomes visible, the family can no longer pretend it never existed. The lineage must face its full history. It does an individual no good to know and be aware that your family have done certain things and you don't speak about it, write about it, pray about it openly. The healer's role is not limited to helping people through personal struggles. Sometimes the healer restores the truth inside the lineage itself. They uncover the ancestors whose voices were removed from the story. They reveal why the voice mattered. And by restoring that memory, they change how the next generation understands their family. See, every family carries a story that is told openly. But some families also carry a story that someone tried to remove. When the healer uncovers that forgotten voice, the lineage finally understands something that had been hidden for years. The ancestor was never truly erased. The voice simply waited for the right descendant to bring it back into the story. Thank you. I'm going to end it here. Thank you. Thank you for visiting my channel. I think I'm going to do one more video because I have more to say and I'm breaking it down into digestible pieces in order for you to retain and understand and maybe even comment on each part. And so thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed. Stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.